Hello children, again I have come back with new chapter simplification. So today I will teach you simplification. Now I am giving you 4 operations. Operations means you will come to know when I will write. Now these are called operation like subtraction, addition, division, multiplication, right? Now children, my question is there, arrange the operation in a proper way. You may be wondering, what teacher is telling? Arrangement. Yes, I am telling you to arrange. So now I am arranging this. Number 1 division. Then number 2 multiplication, 3 addition and 4 subtraction, right? So it stands for D and A and S, right? So this is called Demas rule. What rule? Or it is called Demas rule. So first I am teaching you the sums based on Demas rule. Demas means D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Right? No Demas. So the chain of letter Demas helps to remember the operation. That is why we are arranging this operation in such a way, right? Order of operation. Now, so for example, my example, this is the sum 30 minus 6 divided by 6. Now, this sum I will do by 2 methods. Now, you have to tell me which is the correct method. Now, first I will solve this operation 30 minus 6, which I am getting 24 divided by 6, and when I divide 24 by 6, then 6 4s are 24, my answer is 4. Let us check by this. I will do first this operation 6 divided by 6. When I am dividing this, my answer is coming 1 and this is 20 now. Now you tell me 4 is the correct answer or 29 is the correct answer. So, according to this rule, Demas rule and for simplification, we are following this Demas rule only. Our correct answer is 29 because we have to always solve the sum, division first, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. So, 29 is the correct answer. Let us solve another sum so that the things will be easy for you to understand. Now one sum is, see, one I am taking simplification on whole numbers. So 25 minus 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 3. So according to Demas rule, I will use first division operation. So whatever operation you are doing, first you have to underline so that you will not make mistake while solving the sum. And children are making mistake here only. So that is why I have chosen this topic. Got it? Now 25. When I divide 9 by 3, my answer is 3 multiplied by 3. After division, multiplication. So this operation 25 minus 3, 3s are 9. And when I subtract 9 from 25, my answer is 16. So easily we don't even have to think it. What we have to apply this Demas rule and start solving the simplification. Now this is based on whole numbers. Now I will take simplification on decimal numbers. 15.4 minus 2.07 plus 5.5 divided by 5. If this is my question, then according to Demas rule, my first operation is this. That means if I remove the decimal point, it should be 55 and this divide by 5. So 11 5s are 55 and the same way I will place the decimal point because after decimal tens place is there. So same way I will place the decimal point in tens place only. So 11 and after this tens, so tens place here. Simply this you should know the trick. Then after this division, what I will do, children? Now look, according to this I have to do addition. So but addition of what? This I cannot do the subtraction first. And suppose I am doing this addition, but this number is negative number. And I cannot do the addition of one negative number and one positive number. I can only add two positive numbers together or two negative numbers together. So this is positive number, this is positive number. So I will add these two positive numbers and then I will subtract this from this. So now when I am adding this, my answer will be 16.5 minus 2.07. Now if I do the subtraction, my answer is 14.43. Simple means simplification. Once you know the trick, know the skill, applying Demas rule, simplification is easy. So one I have solved on whole number, one I have solved on decimal number. Now I am solving on fractional number, simplification. Now the next sum is fractional number. So 3 integer 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 6 divide by 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2 integer 1 upon 4. Now this is the question. Now this is the question. Now I am solving this sum on fractional part, right? So simplification on fractional. So what I will do, I will make the mixed number into improper first. So it is improper. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 2 plus 1 upon 6 divide by 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3 multiply by 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 upon 4. Right? Now what I will do? First operation is division according to Demas rule. So 7 upon 2 plus. Now what I will do? This 1 upon 6. In division of fraction, we are doing multiplicative inverse of the other number. So multiplication sign. 3 upon 4, I will make it 4 upon 3 because multiplicative inverse of 3 upon 4 is 4 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 9 upon 4. Now this is what it will come. Now look. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are, which is equal to 7 upon 2 plus 2 upon 9 minus 1 upon 3 and this would be multiplied by 9 upon 4. So I can do this cancellation directly in this step also, but that I don't want to make you confused. So I am adding one more step extra. Now this multiplication 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, which becomes, now your sum is 7 upon 2 plus 2 upon 9 minus 3 upon 4. Now I told you now you can do addition, then you can do subtraction also, but I told you in fraction chapter also in my video that when addition subtraction of fraction if you are doing, you can do it together also, but be careful. Just see the steps. But if it is unlike, then take the LCM. Now LCM of 2, 9 and 4 is what? Is equal to 36 because 36 comes in all three tables. So 2 18s are, 9 4s are, 4 9s are. And when you are multiplying denominator with this number, you have to multiply numerator also by the same number. So 18 7s are 126 plus 4 2s are 8 minus 9 3s are 27 divided by 36 is our LCM. So it would be 134 minus 27 divided by 36, which gives you again 107 upon 36. Now in fraction, if it can be, bring it to lowest term, bring it. If you cannot bring it to lowest term, then what you have to do? You have to check whether it is improper. Again bring it into mixed fraction. Understood? So when you divide 107 by 36, your answer is 2 integer 35 upon 36. This is your answer. So isn't it easy, children? 3 sums I have shown you on Demas rule. One on whole number, second on decimal number, and third on fractional.
We have done simplification on Demas rule. Now we are doing one more simplification on another rule by using different types of brackets. So use of brackets and the other order of operation and the other order of operations. Operations means Demas, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now see, this bracket, this is called round bracket. What it is called? Round bracket. Second bracket is this, which is called braces or curly bracket. Curly head. So curly bracket. Right? Third is square brackets. Square brackets. Right? Or it is called box brackets. And the last one is this one. This is called bar brackets. This is called line brackets or bar brackets. This type of sums will come in the higher standard. So this you should know what it is. Bar brackets. Now, so when we are solving the sums will come in this form. Right? So what you have to do? You are solving the first bar bracket. Right? Then you are this first solve bar bracket. Second you will solve this round bracket. Third you will solve curly bracket. Right? And last you will solve square bracket. Last, yani fourth. You will solve square. So, if you know all these things, skill, it is very easy to sums on simplification. Now, using these brackets plus operations. Operations means Demas. So, these brackets bow and this Demas, it becomes Demas rules. So, Demas, so BODMAS. So, you have to use this BODMAS rule. B for bracket, F, O for of, that is multiplication sign you will put, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. So, by using this skill, you are solving simplification sums using brackets and using BODMAS rule. You should know the meaning of BODMAS before bracket. In the brackets, first which bracket you will solve? Bar bracket, second round bracket, third curly bracket and fourth square bracket. O means of, then that time you will put multiplication sign, then D means division, M means multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Now, use of bracket is a way of making the orders of operation. This way only we can solve the systematically simplification sum. Now, BODMAS, what do you mean by BODMAS? BODMAS is an acronym. What do you mean by acronym? Children, we are using the abbreviation, right? Short form. So, this BODMAS is an acronym to remember the order of mathematical operations, right? To remember the order of mathematical operations. Now we will solve the sums based on BODMAS rules. Now look children, your first sum is 18 minus 6 plus 40 minus 3 into 4 minus 8 plus 6 minus 2. Now, question mark, oh my god, such a big sum. No, it's very easy. So, what I told you, first you are solving the inner bracket. Inner bracket means this is square, then curly, then round. So, there is no bar bracket, so then we are solving the round bracket. So, these two are round brackets, right? So, we will solve 18 minus 6. Go systematically only. 40, 3 4s are 12, right? Minus 8 plus 6 is 14. Then this bracket has removed. Understood? And this now what will you do? Minus 2. Now when we are solving this 6 plus 40 is plus, 12 and 14 is minus. So we are adding minus sum together so that this is positive number, these two are negative number. So we are adding two negative numbers together to make our operation easy. So 12 plus 14, it is 12 plus 14 is what? 16 and 26 and this minus 2. Now we are removing this bracket 18 minus 6 plus 40 minus 26, right? 40 minus 26 will be your, what should be your answer? 14. Got it? And this will be minus 2. Minus 2. So now what will you do? 18 minus, this bracket is removed. Now 20 minus 2, say 6 plus 40 minus 3, 4 3s are 12, 8 plus 6, minus 8 minus 6 minus 14. So 40 and minus 12 minus 14 and this minus 2. So 12 and minus 14. What will you do now? Minus 26. When you add minus 26, when you will add minus 26, it will be your 6 plus 40 minus 28. Because what we are doing? We are adding all negative numbers together. And this would be 6 plus 40 minus 28 would be 12 and this would be 18 and here minus sign minus 18. So our answer is 0. So this way by using BODMAS rule we are solving the sum, right? Now, last sum. This I have taken based on fraction so that you will understand very easily. 1 integer 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 plus 5 upon 6 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. Right? So now using BODMAS rule, what you have to do? This bracket you are solving. So this now simply addition and subtraction, like fraction, it is unlike. To make it like LCM of 2, 3 and 6 is 6, right? So what we will do? 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So this make it into improper. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 plus 5 1s are 5 plus 3 1s are 3 minus 2 divide by 6. Understood? So this would be 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2, 5 plus 3, both are positive, 8 minus 2, 6 upon 6, which would be your 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 plus 1. Got it? Plus 1. No denominator. Consider 1 as the denominator. LCM is 2 because you have to make it like fraction. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So 3 plus 3 plus 2. This divide by 2 and you will get, what you will get? 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 8, 6 plus 2 8, and now bring it to lowest term. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Finally you are getting the 4 as the answer. Now next two sums I am giving extra sums, children. So we are doing practice for this. Now from that one is 3 integer 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 divide 1 upon 4 multiplied by 1 integer 3 upon 8. We have done this type of sum recently only. Just check it. What is the first step? Bring it to improper fraction. 3 4s are 12 plus 3, 15 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 divide by 1 upon 4 multiplied by 1 8s are 8 plus 3, 11 upon 8. Now see the operation according to DMAS rule. Division first. 15 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 multiplicative inverse, that is reciprocal of 1 upon 4 is 4 upon 1 multiplied by 11 upon 8. So now this operation 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now after this multiplication operation 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 15 upon 4 minus 11 1s are 11 divide by 4 1s are 4. Now children, this is the like fraction. So directly you can subtract 15 minus 11 by 4, which is equal to 4 upon 4, and your answer is 1. Simple. Why it is simple? Because now you know the trick. So it is simple. One more sum I am showing you, that in our BODMAS rule. We have seen in our BODMAS rule, we have done the bracket sum. Now we will solve one sum on off. The question is 3 plus curly bracket 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 9 multiplied by into bracket round bracket 5 upon 12 of 72 minus 12, this bracket over and this also gets over. So according to BODMAS rule of, we are solving first, so which is equal to 3 plus 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 9 multiplied by 5 upon 12 of means I told you in the beginning in BODMAS rule, multiplication sign, and this minus this, and it is this. So when we are solving this, 12 1s are 1, 12 6 are 72. So then multiplication here, 3 plus 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 9 multiplied by 5 6 are 30 minus 12, right? Now we are solving this bracket. Though here multiplication, first we have to solve the inner bracket, round bracket. So 3 plus 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 9, 30 minus 12 is 18. Now children, in multiplication I told you can do the cancellation in numerator and denominator, which is equal to, now you are getting 3 plus 2 upon 3 plus 2 2s are 4 upon 1. Now like fraction which is unlike. So what will you do? When the fraction is unlike, what will you do? You have to take the LCM to make the like fraction. So LCM is equal to 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3, which is equal to 3 plus 2 ones are 2 plus 4 3s are 12. Divide by 3, which is equal to 3 plus 14 upon 3. Now again you have to take the LCM. So LCM is equal to 3. So now here 3 ones are 3, 1 ones are 1, which is equal to 3 3s are 9 plus 14 divide by 3, which is equal to 9 plus 14 means 23. Divide by 3. It cannot be further divide or bring it to lowest term. So we have to bring this into mixed fraction because it is a improper fraction. 23 upon 3 is a improper. When you divide 23 by 3, you will get 3 7s are 21. So 3 7s are 21 and 3 8s are 24 is bigger. So and plus 2 is, so your answer is 7 integer 2 upon 3. So once you know the rule, your hands will run. But see to it, brackets, which bracket you are solving first, and along with the operation, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. And if you like my live videos or whichever videos, you just like it, share it, and when my live video is there, you will share the live stream to your friends, like it. And those still not those who have not subscribed, please subscribe it so that others can also take the chance and you will get the advanced notification of my further videos. Okay, thank you.